Tongi New York ru nyamdi gyaso ki gyanzum dunju dunga pe tuidir, chongmi gigab gyada guju gosum tsue wedu gyu, nyamdi gyaso ki drawmi topdan langa inyi ki duzi la UNHRC sheba tel hanzo shibju shibdun ki kongsu, samingma la gigab chonga sardu wendim chedu, gyana urusu Ivory Coast, Gabon, Malawi, Cuba, Bolivia, Uzbekistan, France, EU, Senegal, Pabo, Pakistan, Ukraine, Mexico che wendim chesong. Lecture de che nidong tru ki lor zazu chungbe nyamzhe gyazo ki lhangang te lo sumri hanzo gigab shibju shibdun te wendim shudan ki lamlu rang gyunjen yoba drawmi topdan dashi tsogwa Human Rights Watch ki sungdo. Nyamzhe gyazo ki drawmi topdan lhangang te gyun dan nundu yosan yongwa shik amrige rigyu tan nyanda lo chik zam nangbe je nidong chobge ki lo la Sinsin Trump ki lhangang tenne amriga chirden na yobri.
Of course, yesterday, China as well as Russia and Cuba won seats on the Human Rights Council, a win for tyrants, an embarrassment for the United Nations.
Sago di laga ginin ari chisi chungchi pombe choki nyamde gyazo ki drawmi topdan hangang la gyana urusu Cuba so ki demguni nyamde gyazo ngo chaya re so gyunju na
That
song.
body, when institutions are irredeemable, as was demonstrated yesterday, the United States under President Trump simply will not participate.
Demgu tere zenshe tang duksub jian la gyaga chabe amrige hangang tenne chirden namba ni jigba tenba tang chobo dikzu sobju tuya mebe nang la Sinsin Trump ki wo amrige nyamshu nangimari song song. Dikazangyu Lekung ki Romi Todan Dashi Tsogo Human Rights Watch ki Gyana Tsembe Unzi Sophie Richardson Cho la Kongshu ki Nedun Te Gandu Shube Kong ki Songya la.
Well, China should not have been reelected to the United Nations Human Rights Council. It has a terrible human rights record.
Yegab yagu tsui nyamshu manana dugo tsui sachi singiri. Romi Topdan Tel Top Dubu Gyana Dubu Nyamji Gezo ki Romi Topdan Hangang ki Hanzo Su Zawane Goju Yomari. Wende Talo Demgu Chungdu Yegab Chunga Tedane Gyana ni Wesho Nyungshu Yimbata. Ingwe gyana tengshi demgu chungba tan talo dona wesho gyaja nishu tsamgi nyungdu chimba shiktan talo yarga nyamdi gyazo rangi geji romi topdan ledungi mina ngobchu sungdu jene dagdam tundi gyana ki pyo dan tishin sache shendu romi topdan dogru tangtang so la tukzab dan gyunchu bewa so ki tubab dirikab gyana lhanzo te to yona pyo dan yuguwa tishin sache shendu gyana ki romi topdan dogru tangba ka korgyu kogab shigan sharba sungdu.
To hold China to a certain amount of scrutiny in its coming term on the council.